Wow, welcome all the farmers in our country, in our nation of Kenya, all the citizens in our country, in our nation Kenya. Welcome in the Eldoret National Polytechnic Farm Unit. I am a student known as Collins Wanchala Osao from the Eldoret National Polytechnic. We are practicing farming in the Eldoret National Polytechnic while we are still students. I am a student from the Department of Agriculture and Environmental Studies. Our main aim is to sustain our environment in our nation. Our main aim is to push our farming in our country to move forward and to go into another levels. Therefore, I welcome you to have a certain skill here on utilize farm water as one of the units that we are doing in a general agriculture course. Therefore, we are doing a unit called utilize farm water. We want to utilize farm water, and in contrary with utilizing the wasted materials that somebody can waste at home or at his particular place. Therefore, here we are practicing crop production. As you can see, there are some few crops here. There are some few agricultural practices that we are carrying out here. As you can see, in utilized farm water management skill, we come up with water that is being harvested maybe in various ways. This water is being harvested from the underground places, is being harvested from municipal places that is being transported onto our school. There are some other part of water that we are harvesting from rainwater in the tanks. Then we carry that water to come and practice agriculture in our farm. This is our school farm. This is just brief of our school farm. There is another section there to carry out annual crops and even perennial crops. As you can see just briefly, here is napier grass as a perennial crop, and the other part we are carrying out bean production and sukuma wiki production as another annual crops. So let me brief you here about this unit called Utilized Farm Water. In Utilized Farm Water, we have this section that we want to utilize water in the farm. That water that you can irrigate on crops, then the water is being wasted maybe. As you can see, this water can't be wasted. This water is here. The crop is taking water slow by slow so that the water can sustain this crop until it reaches its production. Therefore, we take a full bottle. We take full bottle that has been already used, maybe, and it has been poured. It has been wasted. Maybe it has been just placed somewhere in the composite. Then we cut the bottle into two halves. The upper part of the bottle is here, the one you are seeing, and this is the lower part of the bottle. So to carry out this activity, you have to make holes on this bottle. So like this one, you come up with a scalpel, then make holes like this. You make holes around this bottle, the upper bottle. Then you make another hole down here. This hole will pass water from the lower bottle to the upper bottle. Then you come up with your seedling. You plant your seedling here, or if it is a seed, you plant it here. You plant your seeds inside here. So that seedling will be taking water via its roots from the lower part of the bottle. Therefore, we utilize this water other than irrigating the crop on a ground or on soil. This water will have not lasted until this time. So this is how we are utilizing water. This is how we are utilizing the wasted material that can make our environment not conducive. Therefore, we want to make the environment conducive. We want to make or to utilize water in our farm so that we are not wasting water, and we are making sure that water is being used in a very good way. In the upper part, we have seedlings that we have come up with them. Those are trees. There are several types of trees in our farm. Therefore, I want to tell you that these trees have lasted for Those ones, they have lasted for 1 month. The other trees have lasted for 3 months. These trees are not that we are wasting them or they are out of market. The only thing we are making that is when they grow that way, those trees they add a profit. So therefore, it has not reached their time to go onto market. And therefore, I want to tell you that if you want any type of tree, come in the Eldoret National Polytechnic Farm and you'll get whatever tree you need. Therefore, thank you so much. Thank you for being our listener. Thank you for following us as the Eldoret National Polytechnic agricultural students and farmers. Thank you so much. May God bless you so much.